Hello, friends. What do you say? It's going to be a beautiful day. So clap your hands, stomp your feet, jump up and down and have a seat. Hello, hello. It's so good to see you. Today we are going to read 5 little raindrops falling from the sky. Inside your packet that I sent home a little paper that looks like this. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raindrops. You can cut those raindrops out and color them. You can practice tracing the numbers. You can mix them all up and put them back in order. And when you trace them, you can do our little song. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all to make the numeral 1. Curve around and slide to the right. Curve around and slide to the right. Curve around and slide to the right to make the numeral 2. Curve in and around again. Curve in and around again. Curve in and around again to make the numeral 3. Down, over, down some more. Down, over, down some more. Down, over, down some more to make the numeral 4. Down, around, put on a hat. Down, around, put on a hat. Down, around, put on a hat to make the numeral 5. Okay, 5 Little Raindrops Falling from the Sky by Steve Metzger. 5 little raindrops falling from the sky. One splashed into a butterfly. The robin told the blue jay, and the blue jay said, "No more raindrops falling from the sky." 4 little raindrops spinning through the air. One woke up the big brown bear. The beaver told the rabbit, and the rabbit said, "No more raindrops spinning through the air." 3 little raindrops twirling all around. One sank in to the muddy ground. Can you see him? 1, 2. Where's the other one in the muddy ground? Way up. There he is. Fell into the muddy ground. The turtle told the duckling, and the duckling said, "No more raindrops twirling all around." Two little raindrops blowing in the breeze. One fell beneath 2 towering trees. The squirrel told the chipmunk, and the chipmunk said, "No more raindrops blowing in the breeze." One little raindrop tumbling toward a trail bounced and twirled and landed on a, what is it? A snail. The beetle told the cricket, and the cricket said, "No more raindrops tumbling toward a trail." The rain kept falling. The egret took a look. 5 little raindrops trickled toward a brook. The brook kept flowing. It was like a dream. 5 little raindrops approached the sparkling stream. The stream branched off just a little sliver. 5 little raindrops reached for the river. The river's winding journey ended up at the sea. 5 little raindrops, as happy as can be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sun came out. The weather is hot and dry. Lots of tiny droplets rose up, 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 up to the sky. Good job. The end. Okay, let's do our peanut butter song. I know you guys love this one so much. So here we go. Peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your head? Yes, we like it on our head. On your head. On our head, help me. Oh, peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your shirt? Yes, we like it on our shirt. On your shirt. On your shirt. On your head. On our head. Ready? Oh, peanut butter. We like peanut butter. Peanut butter. That's what we like best. Do you like it on your pants? Yes, we like it on our pants. On your pants. On your pants. On your shirt. On your shirt. On your head. On your head. Ready? Oh, peanut butter. We like peanut butter. Peanut butter. That's what we like best. Do you like it on your socks? Yes, we like it on our socks. On your socks. On our socks. On your pants. On our pants. On your shirt. On our shirt. On our head. Ready? Whoa! Peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Peanut butter, that's what we like best. Do you like it on your shoes? Yes, we like it on our shoes. On our shoes. On our socks. On our pants. On our shirt. On our head. Ready? Oh, peanut butter, we like peanut butter. Are you ready? Peanut butter, that's what we like best. On your underwear. On your underwear. Underwear. On your shoes. On your shoes. On your socks. On your socks. On your pants. On your pants. On your shirt. On your shirt. On your head. Oh, peanut butter. We like peanut butter. Peanut butter. That's what we like best. Oh, that's such a funny song. Okay, so you know how we sing our ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Sometimes we do it silly and we say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Right? Okay, well today, instead of saying the letter, we're going to say its sound. So, this is the letter A. So we're going to go A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, O, A, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I want you to practice that at home. Instead of saying A, B, C, D, you're going to say A, B, K. Okay? Can you guys do that for me? Good work. Okay, now I am going to show you our little words. Now we've done these at school before. we look at our words, and this one has a letter P. Who remembers what P says? Good job. Who knows what letter this is? A. T. Good job. So this word says at. At. If you take away the P, it only says at. A-T. At. At. If you add the P, it says at. Good job. Okay, what if we add this one? Who knows what letter this one is? Yes, H. At. Hat. Good job. What about this one? Who knows what letter that one is? Good. M. Mat. At. Mat. How about this one? What letter is this one? C. At. At. Says cat. Good job. Okay, how about this one? Our last one. Oops. Who knows what letter this one is? B. At. Bat. So we have bat. Cat. Mat. Hat. Pat. Nice job. Give yourself a high five. High five. Good job. High five. Okay, for our numbers today, we are going to see if we can match these. Let's see what number this one is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I have these little apples. I'm just going to pick one up, okay, and we're going to see if we can match it. So I'm going to pick one up, and you have to tell me what it is. That is the number, what is it? Yes, 5. So 5, so let's see if we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put that one inside there. Number 5. Next one is, what is that one? Number 1. Is this number 1? 1. Good job. Number 1. Let's put them in there. And what is that one? A number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6. They match. Okay. Number 2. 1, 2. 2. Good job, you guys. What's this one? Yes, so number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. And the last one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 4. Okay, now we're going to do one more. Oops, because we have this one. Let's see. Here's the numbers for this one. Let's mix them up. Okay, this one is, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you guys ready? Gotta help me. What number is that? A 1 and a 0 is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, how about this one? A 1 and a 2 is 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woohoo! How about this one? Yep, but number 7. 7. And what about this one? Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate. Make an S and close the gate to make the numeral 8. next one is make a circle then a line, make a circle then a line, make a circle then a line to make the numeral 9. 7, 8, 9. Good job. Good work. Oh, we're missing one. He's right here. 1, 1 is 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll put him inside there. Good job. Good job on your numbers today. Alrighty. So, we did our at words. So your challenge for today is, I want you, if you can, and if you have the materials, but ask your mom if she has some wax paper, and if you have some crayons, and if you have a pencil sharpener. So this is what I did. I took my crayon, my white crayon or my blue crayon, and I put it inside the pencil sharpener knife and got lots of little flakes. And we put them on a piece of wax paper. So we have 2 pieces of wax paper here, okay? So I put it on one wax paper, and then I put the other wax paper on top after I put all the little blue and white little flakes that I did through the pencil sharpener. And then your mom has to help you with this. You take an iron, and you put a cloth on top of it, and you hold it down until all the flakes melt, and they look like this. And then you can make some little raindrops, and you could put a little string on it, and you can hang it in your window, and it kind of looks like a stained glass window. So you can make 5 little raindrops to go along with our raindrops today if you like. So that's your challenge if you have wax paper, crayons, and a pencil sharpener. Okay, good work. Okay, my friends, I will see you all tomorrow. Bye. Have a nice night.